Welcome back, pepperoni pizza. Oh, I meant Pepperdine, not pepperoni pizzas. Hope your writing and your read aloud this morning went okay, and make sure that you're submitting each of those assignments whenever you get a chance. Today, we're going to move on to our math part right now. Let me grab my pointer and get some captions in here. Again, it is Tuesday, March 31st. Today, we will continue practicing using a tape diagram to solve a problem. I wanted to show you the calendar just because I've been writing the date, but you haven't got a chance to look at it. So here we have March 2020, and I put an X on all of the days that we have already completed. Here we have, it says St. Patrick's Day. It's super small. It was a while ago. Sad, it's over. All right, and then we kept going. Our first day of spring, we are officially in the season of spring. That's exciting. And then the 24th, right here, is actually where we stop. Oh, wait. Oh, no, it was the 17th where we stopped coming to school. Yeah, 'cause it's been a while. Anyway, here's the 30th, and here we have the 31st. And I'm just going to do a little X on that because, well, it's over. Hasta la vista, March. We are done. Oh, my X isn't working. That's okay. Sometimes these things happen. So we're all learning, right? So X, and we're all done. And we're moving on to April, which is right here tomorrow. It's April 1st. Get thinking on your pranks, friends. Now I'm going to go ahead and keep going. Let me erase this because we're going to click on to the next one. There we go. All right, we're going to warm up today. It's a skip count backwards by tens from 120. And it even has a challenge down here. Race your family to see if you can do it faster. So if I'm going to count backwards, I'm going to start at 120, and I'm going to count backwards by 10. So I would say 120, 110, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. And I'd stop. So you can practice that, and you can race your family. Go ahead and pause it so that you can race 2 friends in your family. All right, we're going to keep going, and we're going to talk about which one would your alligator eat. So alligator arms, get up, get ready. I want you to clap them out just a little bit. Remember, if we're eating this way, our alligator would eat that way. If we're eating this way, our alligator would eat that way. So my question is, which one would your alligator eat? 63 or 36? Think about how many 10s are in 63 and how many 1s. How many 10s are in 36? How many 1s? Show me your alligators in 3, 2, 1. Boom, you're correct. It would eat 63. Which one would your alligator eat? 102 or 112? Think about your 1s place, your 10s place, and your 100s place. This one's a little tricky because we added a 100s. And your alligator would eat 112 because 112 has one group of 100, one group of 10, and 2 1s. 102 has one group of 100, 0 10s and 2 1s. So it's a little bit bigger, 112. Which one would your alligator eat? 252 or 522? Think in your brain, think in your brain. I want you to compare the, oh man, Ms. Hernandez keeps pressing it. Gosh darn. If you got 522, you are correct because there's 5 groups of 100, and there's only 2 groups of 100 over here. We know 5 is greater than 2. Of course, the alligator would eat that. Last one. Which one would your alligator eat? -4 or 4? Tricky, tricky, tricky. My alligator would definitely eat 3, 2, 1. Show me your alligators. Your alligator would eat 4 because when we go into the negatives, that means it's not there anymore. It's fake news. So our alligator wouldn't want those negative little fishies. It would want all those 4 fishies. All right, let's keep going. Our problem of the day. We can read this together, and you can even get a piece of paper, and you can work on it right now. So if you want to grab a piece of paper to do it with us so you can take a picture and send it straight to me right after, go ahead and pause it. Go grab a piece of paper. All right, hopefully you have your paper and your pencil. Let's get started. It says Stephen has $16. He bought a toy. Now he has $9. How much did the toy cost? All right, so I'm just going to circle some really important things on here because I need to remember these important things, right? So Stephen has $16. So I see that they billed 16 here. They did a group of 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. And here's Steven too. He bought a toy. Oh, I can see he bought the toy. It looks like it's right there. Now he has $9. So did our number get bigger or smaller? If I have 16 and I turned it into the number 9, did it get bigger or smaller? You're right, smaller. So if something's getting smaller, are we adding or are we subtracting? You're correct. We are subtracting. So I'm going to draw a little star right here because that helps me. That's a funky star. You know I tried. Anyway, it says how much did the toy cost? So I'm going to start with 16. Take away, I don't know how much it costs. So there's going to be a question mark right here. And he ended up with $9. So it's up to you to figure that one out. Or I can change it around and I can do 9 plus question mark equals 16. Go ahead and pause it right here and work on your answer and try and find your answer. All right. Hopefully you found your answer and your strategy. I know what I would do is I would go ahead and I would, if I was taking away, I would cross out, I don't know how many, I would cross them all out until I got 9 left. So I'm just going to cross all of them out. 3, 4. Oh, tricky. 4, 5, 6. Okay, I crossed them out until I have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many did I cross out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, you are correct. His toy cost $7. And you can write that better than Miss Hernandez, but you know, we're trying. All right, we're gonna keep going and we're gonna move on into the next one. So that's our problem of the day. So make sure you take a picture of your answer and you send it on over. Here we have a tape diagram. This will help you with your activities today. Emmy has some goldfish. Tamara has 14 betta fish. Tamara and Emmy have 19 fish in all. How many goldfish does Emmy have? So here I have Emmy, and we don't know how many she has because they didn't tell us. They just said she had some goldfish. I'm actually going to underline the word some because that tells me she only had some. Okay. And then it says Tamara has 14 betta fish. Oops, I actually mixed up my colors. So question mark for Emmy. Miss Hernandez actually made a mistake. She only has 14, so we're going to cross these ones out. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we're going to ignore these ones because I made a mistake. So there's 14. So I'm going to draw my tape diagram. And I'm going to draw Emmy's part right here. I'm going to put a question mark because I don't know how much she has. And then I'm going to draw Tamara, the rest of Tamara's diagram, or tape diagram. And I'm going to say 14 on the inside because that's how much Tamara had. And together, they had 19 all together. So I'm going to write my number sentence. Blank plus, well, not blank because there's a 14 on here, so I already know. 14 equals 19. Blank plus 14 equals 19. It's up to you to figure out how you want to do that, and you can count on. So go ahead and pause it and figure it out right now. If you figured out, after you've unpaused it, if you realize that Tamara had to have 5 little fishies, you are correct, and you can even notice it right here that Mr. Hernandez. When I crossed them out, I figured it out too by accident. All right, nice job. Let's go ahead and move on to the very last thing we got going here. And that is our activity for the day. It says your turn. You're going to work on lesson 21, page 87 and 88. And if you need extra practice, you can do 21 and 22. When you're done, go ahead and work on ST Math, Zern, or Class Hero. Please submit a video of all your math papers in one video under Oh, it says Monday math problem of the day, and Monday math practice activity is actually going to be Tuesday. So look for the word Tuesday. All right, good luck. Have a good one.